Hi, this is Eric Daly, and welcome to week 4 as we talk about operations and processes. Here are the learning outcomes for this week. We'll talk about what is operations management, the importance of operations management, dimensions of quality management, the design process planning, and steps to forecasting. What is operations management? Operation management designs, operates, and improves productive systems for getting work done. Operations management is concerned with planning, organizing, and supervising in the context of production, manufacturing, or the provisions of services. As such, it is delivery focused, ensuring that an organization successfully turns inputs to outputs in an efficient manner. The inputs themselves could represent anything from materials, equipment, and technology to human resources such as staff or workers. Importance of operations management. There are strong parallels between the skills required for effective operations management and those needed in both logistics and supply chain management. One must be able to understand a series of processes within a company in order to get them to flow seamlessly. And in this sense, the role is directly related to supply chain management. Meanwhile, the coordination involved in setting up these processes in practice represents logistics, which is the combination of understanding and coordinating the work of a company, are therefore central to being a successful operations manager. Dimensions of quality management. Well, what is quality management? Quality management is the act of overseeing all activities and tasks needed to maintain a desired level of excellence. This includes creating and implementing quality planning and assurance, as well as quality control and quality improvement. Now here are some dimensions of quality management. First, you have performance, which is the basic operating characteristics of a product. For example, how well a car handles or its gas mileage. Features, the extra items added to the basic features, such as a stereo CD or a leather interior in a car. Then we have reliability, the probability that a product will operate properly within an expected time frame. Next is conformance, the degree to which a product meets pre-established standards. Durability, how long the product lasts, its lifespan before replacement. And next we have serviceability, which is the ease of getting repairs, the speed of repairs, and the courtesy and competence of the repair person. Next we have aesthetics, how a product looks, feels, sounds, smells, or tastes. Next is safety, assurance that the customer will not suffer injury or harm from a product. And then we have other perceptions, subjective perceptions based on brand name, advertising. The design process. Well, the design process begins with understanding the customer and actively identifying customer needs. Ideas for a new product or improvements to existing products can be generated from many sources. Another way you can design is by reverse engineering, which is carefully dismantling and inspecting a competitor's product to look for design features that can be incorporated into your own product. Now we have preliminary design, which is the first phase of the process design. A project manager is assigned to the project and will coordinate a series of meetings with users and the design team for information gathering. Users communicate specific needs, requirements, and the design team will do field investigation regarding the layout of the existing areas and including building systems and their impact on the project. Process planning. Well, process planning encompasses the activities and functions to prepare a detailed set of plans and instructions to produce a part. The planning begins with engineering drawings, specifications, parts or material list, and a forecast of demand. Well, we have a list of requirements for process planning. First comes establishing goals. Next is identify resources, establish goal-related tasks, prioritize goals and tasks, create assignments and timelines, and establish evaluation methods. Steps to forecasting. Well, you have to decide what to forecast. Then you have to evaluate and analyze data, plot data, and identify patterns. Select a forecast model, check for forecast accuracy, and then determine if forecast is acceptable. Adjust forecast based on qualitative information, and then monitor results and measure forecast accuracy. Now here are some supplemental materials that I've looked up and wanted to share with everyone. One of the articles will talk about basic steps to forecasting. I have another article that will talk about lean manufacturing. And the third article will talk about service design tools and methods. Discussion questions. Question number 1. How important is quality control? Is it just as important as service? Question number 2. How should productivity be measured? Should all organizations, industries measure productivity the same way? And why? Question number 3. As a project manager, is it more important to lead or manage? And why? Well, this concludes my week 4 module, and I look forward to talking to you in week 5. Thank you.